What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Halleast Galaxy Buds Pro case, and we got one from V-Moro as well. You can pick these up on Amazon. The Halleast is $11.99 and the V-Moro is $13.99. And I'll leave the link in the description. So without further ado, let's check them out. So we're gonna check out the V-Moro first. Just got these in. All right. Let's see what we got here. And these cases work for both the Buds Live and the Buds Pro. So I just put it out there just so you guys can see the comparison. So what you get in the box looks like this is one of those caribou clips. And that's a little clip thing right there. So put it aside. And this is the case itself. It's like a fabric material. This looks like the hard plastic. This is the bottom. So we can just put these in here like so. Nice snug fit. And this is the top portion. Fits on the back like so. Let me see, pop this open, and you should be able to fix it on there, and it snaps into place. But I don't want to snap it into place because I'm gonna try out this other one. But usually they have like a little sticker that goes in there, and then you clip it to the top side. So that's what it looks like itself, just so you guys can see it. That's the material. I believe they have a white and gray one on their website. I mean, on Amazon as well. Set this to the side. And let's check this one out. Both of them look like they're hard plastic cases. All right, what we got here? Okay, a little booklet. Okay, yeah, here's the little sticker part that I was talking about that you actually stick inside. So once you want to do it, okay, all right, here we go. So this one actually comes with a extra clip and a little charging situation, a little charging cable. That's dope. I've never seen this. Okay, all right. Halleast. And this one's $11.99. Not bad. Not bad at all. Here's the little sticker portion. This is hard material. Kind of like this. I like this one a little bit better. Looks like it's a little bit more put together. They put a little bit more thought into it. And you're getting a lot for, you know, the price. Also right here, this is TPU. This is hard. This is the hard shell case. Pop it on there like so. And that's what it looks like. You got your ports and things. So as you can see, for comparison, that's how thick the other one is. This one has a little bit more. This is all TPU. Okay, I like it. All right. Well, there you have it. Got both of the cases. I'll leave the links down in the description. Again, this one is $11.99, and it comes with the clip portion with the charging cable, which is pretty cool. And this one is $13.99. So again, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, you just leave them in the comment portion. And please do all that YouTube stuff, like, comment, and subscribe. You guys take care of each other. Peace.